Hi everybody. So I made this video coming up to teach you how to record your voice and so that you can have this voiceover to put on Windows Movie Maker on top of a slideshow that you created so that you can make a little presentation and save that presentation to share with your kids. One thing that was pointed out to me is that the free version of Screencast-O-Matic does not allow for the sound to be recorded. If that happens with you, if you find that you cannot record it, you cannot hear the sound on the finalized video, on the finalized movie, after you turned it on and everything, then you could use this voiceover recorder at the same time that you're doing the presentation. Have both programs, Screencast-O-Matic and the voice recorder, at the same time, so that this way you could then put both files, the audio file and the video file, on together on Windows Movie Maker, kind of like I showed on the Windows Movie Maker tutorial. So hopefully this is helpful. You can, I mean, there's always a way to Jimmy rig it, and this is one way. Another way would be to pay for Screencast-O-Matic for the year. I do that. I don't find it so bad, and because I use it a lot, right? So this is the thing. You have to wait. If you're going to use it a lot, then maybe it's worth it for you. I thought it was $15 a year, but I think it is now $18 a year. I don't know. So you have to check it out and see what's their plans now. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys soon. Bye. Hi everybody. So I thought it would be a really helpful thing to do to show you how to create a voiceover in case you have a set of slides that you want to put inside Windows Movie Maker and you want to make it nice, but you want to also talk over the slides as you go. So what I do is I usually pull up an app from Windows 10, which is called Voice Recorder. You can find it by typing here on search. If I say Voice Recorder, it's easy to find. See? So you're going to launch that and you're going to click on record, which is this button here. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. You can pause it. And let's say you want to say something else. You can click here. Oi, oi, oi. And when you're done, so this is what we got now. If we play this recording, it says everything as a very random, like generic name, but that's okay. You can always change it later. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. You can pause it. Oi, oi, oi. And when you're done. So this turned out pretty good. I'm going to go here under See More, and I'm going to open File Location. So here is my recording 10, which is what I just did. And I'm going to right click on it, and I can now cut or copy it and paste it to a more appropriate folder, whatever you are saving your projects. You can just cut, probably would be a better one. Just cut, get it out of here. You can also rename it here, right? Just rename it voiceover. Anything you may want to name your file as, so you do that. And then you can cut and then paste it on your working folder. And that's it. That's how I get little voiceovers that I then can use on slideshows. I hope this is helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys later.